check out the Skyline, saying it's sweet. Sweet ride right there. Why did he have to stay at the red light? Freaking sucks. Nice ride, man.
Hey, you too, man. That thing fast.
Oh, this? Oh yeah, get up and go. What year is that?
91.
Oh man, I like that, man. Yeah. You do a lot to it?
It's got 25 swap.
Okay.
But nothing major.
Oh, that's what's up, man.
A little ratchet.
Yeah. But check my YouTube out, C-Spec Kurt. Just like my license plate with Kurt on the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a blue 33 GTR too.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Gold rims.
Yeah.
I take it out every now and then.
You YouTube? Oh, okay. Social media? Oh man.
Not really. I just started Instagram. But,
oh really?
Yeah, I ain't really put a bunch of photos on.
I feel you, man.
Yeah.
It's nice seeing the car, man. I'm sure I'll see it around some more.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Let me hear our little sound from it when you leave the light. You take care, bro. That was pretty dope. Oh man, that's a dope little ride right there. Alright man, yeah, you're liable to see all kind of cars around Bentonville, man. That's what I like about Bentonville. A lot of car scene is pretty live around here.